Okay, I'm sneaking in his house. Uh-oh. Hello.
Hi.
I'm not doing anything. I just like your house so much. Look at the new Chinese New Year stuff. This is got July 4th. Okay. Where'd you go? Better look for him. Okay. What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
I'm just doing here for some activities.
It sounds so scary in here. What are you doing?
Oh, I'm trying to play the Five Nights at Freddy's 4.
Go ahead. I like to see it.
I'm just trying to get it out.
Ow! Some days I just like Five Nights at Freddy's 4.
Ooh. Phew, that was close.
I can't see the screen.
It took me
Flip back here.
3 years to get past the first night.
Really? It did?
Yes. Look, if you hear breathing, close the door shut. If you don't hear breathing...
I can see it. I can't see. Okay, there we go. Much better. Close it. I'm going to go and close the door. I'm going to go back there. I'll go back there. Yeah. Right door. Flashlight.
I'm scared of this game.
Shouldn't be.
Who's that? I meant that kind of breathing.
Get out of there. Now.
Oh, phew, that was a close one.
Yeah. You sure about that?
Of course. What could possibly go wrong? What was that?
Well, I can.
Was that a Freddle? A mini Freddy? You know, like baby animatronics?
Please don't scare me. It's a friendly neighborhood dinosaur.
Do you hear breathing?
And the door.
Oh, whatever. Let's check the...